I have here my Wag Aero Cubby. I have some big plans for this aircraft. We've got a Lycoming 0235. We're probably going to be mounting on it the next week or so. I would like to eventually equip it with floats, so we're going to do an engine upgrade. In the meantime, it currently has a Revmaster engine. I'm trying to get the serial number here, but if it's not making it out on the camera, that's an A2172. We will be pulling this engine out again very shortly here, but I did want to show that it does run very well, starts up very easy, a strong engine. It has 51.7 hours on the tach, and usually starts up in probably about the first revolution. Good oil pressure there. Again, that was a cold engine start. It's still very cold. Alright, this engine is would be complete with electric starter, obviously. It's a big bonus over the old Continentals that are used in these. And it would come with carburetors, basically the complete engine package, exhaust stacks, everything that you would need. I'd sell the propeller separately. That might be helpful if your application could use that same prop. That's going to be a culver prop. And the pitch on that is 6 inches long by 28-inch pitch. And there we go. It's going to be for sale very soon here.